how to fix messages blocked in Gmail. So let's get started. Firstly, ensure that the email is not being marked as spam. Check your spam folder and move any legitimate emails back to your inbox. Also, review blocked addresses. You'll have to see if the sender's email address is blocked. If it is, then unblock it. If you are using Gmail in a web browser, clearing the cache and cookies can help resolve issues related to loading and sending messages as well. Or if you are using browser extensions, especially ad blockers, try disabling them temporarily to see if they are causing this issue. Make sure you have not exceeded your storage quota. If your Gmail account is full, you may need to delete some emails or purchase additional storage. If the issue persists, try accessing Gmail from a different browser or device to see if the problem is specific to your current setup. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.